Hello, today I'm vlogging right now. Yeah, I might be going outside. Yeah, I'm going outside. I want to. I'm doing a video vlogging. Yeah. This is a Jeep. My sister's Jeep. This is our car. Yeah. A bird. Up close. Flew away. Because I did it too close. Went too close. I did bird watching. I did bird watching. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. Yeah. Just walking down the street. Gonna talk. There's a mailman coming. There's a car. Yep, buddy. You have the mail for this house?
Yeah, I gotta get there first.
Alright. Thank you.
You bet. Have a good day.
That's the neighbor's house. And the dogs are barking over there. And our dogs are barking. Yeah, I'm bringing the mail in. Hi. I'm bringing the mail in. Yippity doodle. Here, Mom.
Really? Yes. I can't believe you made me say it. I'm thrilled you said it. Huh? I'm embarrassed to be telling you too. Seriously? Super embarrassed. If anyone thinks I'm dying. I know how you feel.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm vlogging. I just heard a bee. Or just heard a bee or sneak. Yeah. I hear a helicopter right now. There's someone over there. There's neighbors. Let's go over there. Yeah, I hear a helicopter. Yeah, videoing right now. There is a helicopter! Right there! Do you guys see it? There's a helicopter right there. That's old-fashioned police car. Bird watching. This video will be called bird watching. There it goes. Yeah. I'm gonna go climb the tree. Watch out for poop if there is. I can't climb a tree with one hand. Can set this right. Set this right here. Set this right there. Oh no. Give me this. Yeah. I could not climb that tree. I can't really not with the camera. I saw you guys up there.